Okay, what is the matter with this delimitation? On one side, the CM of TN is burning the copy of the bill and giving direct warnings to the central government through his videos, but on the other side, on the front page of news articles, the central government is telling that there is not going to be any problem with that, and in fact, there will be number of seats increased for each and every state. Before getting into the real debate, I want you to know three important points. Number one, the number of seats in Lok Sabha has been freezed to 543 seats for the last 50 years according to 1971 census. That period ends by 2026. Number two, the government is planning to increase the number of seats up to 800 to 850 seats approximately. Number three, the number of seats will be given to each state based upon their population. And this is where the problem begins. If you have more population, then there is going to be more number of seats and representation in the parliament. This feels like a punishment for the southern states of India because they have been taking better measures and following all the rules of the nation and making better healthcare, better education and having better birth control compared to other states. So my question here is, why are we allocating the seats only based upon the population? Why can't we see the quality of outcomes produced by each and every state according to their GDP, public healthcare, or the overall development of the state? Because parliament is where the most important decisions for the nation takes place, and if we are just going to represent people only based upon their population, then what will be the quality of outcome for them? These are just my thoughts. If you have an amazing solution or idea to end this North versus South conflict, do drop down on the comments, because this is not just a bill, this could create a very big North versus South conflict in India itself.